What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about the iPhone 13 Pro. So, many of you have noticed that I did have an iPhone 13 Pro Max. However, it was too big for my hands and it was kind of heavy, and I just felt like it wasn't the one. So, I decided to get the iPhone 13 Pro. And I also got it in blue because, why not get it in a different color and try to stick out from those? However, I did want to get a case that it's like in black and blend in with, or actually a red case blending with black. Either way, today we're going to be unboxing iPhone 13 Pro. So enough talk. We're going to go and slip in onto it. I hate opening these things. I hate it because as you can see, I'm gonna open it like legitimate, and there we have it, ladies and gentlemen, the iPhone 13 Pro. Man, I don't even want to open this again. However, I do see a slight difference in weight. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, the 13 Pro Max was just ridiculous. Now, this one, it's like, dude, like a big weight difference. And for me, there's the alarm. I gotta change batteries. Anyways, man, dude, like this just feels really good in my hands. Oh my god, like why didn't I think of this right here? Dude, okay, for sure the 13 Pro Max. I love it. I love the battery. However, it's big, it's bulky. I know it's 2 more inches like thicker. I understand that. But man, dude, like honestly, this right here is just feels it feels right. Like, like it's something that I can live with. And man, I don't know how to describe it. So usually you'll get your iPhone. I'm gonna leave this here for now. You'll get the standard sticker and charger. That's all you get. You don't get a charge cable. But yeah, that's pretty much all you get. I mean, there's really nothing to it. So I'll leave you to that. So I wanted to give my little review on the iPhone 13 and 13 Pro Max and 13. Honestly, I, man, honestly, man, this just feels so good. Like I can't describe. I don't know if I made the. A lot of people kept saying, "Dude, get the Pro Max. It's bigger and you have a big battery." And I'm always on low battery. That's my problem with the phones. When it comes to anything with battery, I'm terrible at it. So, and yeah, that's me like keeping all my stuff clean. Sorry, it's like a phobia I have. I have to keep things clean. But man, like I said, guys, this is the only downfall is the phone itself. It will basically it's leveled out. So if you don't like any of that, yeah, it's not gonna work. Oh man, you know what? Actually, I do not regret getting this phone. However, I know I'm gonna sacrifice a battery for it. So it's just, dude, like, man, yeah, definitely a big, big difference between the iPhone 13 Pro Max versus this one. Like, you can literally feel the difference. It's way less. It weighs less, and this is just it's so awesome, man. I actually like this. Well, I'll go ahead and put my thing. So, yeah, let's go ahead and set it up real quick. Um, just so you guys can see like what it's like to set it up. Man, dude, I'm in awe. So we're gonna just wait for the iPhone to activate. So guys, yeah, basically, I so don't regret this. Okay, so it's activating my device, so we're gonna go with that. But yeah, just like any other reviewer, guys, that's reviewing the iPhone, it's basically the same thing. This is like easily get fingerprints, but I like the finish on it. You can see my eye. So that's pretty slick, paying for $1,000, like it's just like it's like the best thing ever. I mean, yeah, go for it. Let me just get this real quick out of the way. Okay, cool. So, yeah, man. This is, you know, I was anticipating like, should I keep the Pro Max or should I go with this one? And I feel this one, it's gonna, it's really gonna help me out a lot. And it seems convenient. I remember, like I said, I'm coming from a 3GS, from a 4 to a 5 to a 7. So, but this feels just right. It, like, I cannot emphasize how it is. I think the Pro Max is mainly used for like if you don't have like a console or a computer or a laptop, you can use the Pro Max to do your, watch your movies, etc. Um, this one feels like, hey, if you're always on the go, this will suit you to your potential. And I feel like this is the right one. I guess we can say that. Let me set this up real quick. So yeah, guys, honestly, man, it's like a major difference from like what I had. And I don't know what to say. That's all I'm gonna say. Like, this is like just too, I'm in awe basically right now. Give me a moment. So we're gonna let me just hook this up. But yeah. I mean, okay, we're gonna just agree to this. Dude, it's I think I'm gonna vote my way with this one, guys, to be honest. Like, this is like it's the right size. Like, um Apple knew what to do. Like, hey, let's make two sizes, like, to have it better. I want to go to dark mode, zoomed in, standard. We'll try that later. So yeah, and of course you guys can see the 120 hertz. Um, yeah, the frame. I think that's what everybody likes, is the 120 hertz, and this is like a big difference. Like, you can easily see 120 hertz versus like the 60 hertz that we usually get. And man, like, well, honestly, I'm gonna turn it off because I don't really use that, but I usually use this. But dude, this feels just right. However, the downfall that I'm probably gonna be upset about is, yeah, I still have to add a case to it, so I can't just say I'm comfortable. But I feel like even if I do add a case to it, I'm still gonna be happy. Of course, you want to do is, I always do low power mode, so I usually turn. Well, I'm gonna need my Wi-Fi basically, so we don't need it yet. I don't know what that Wi-Fi is, but yeah, I'm gonna usually turn everything off. I know people tell me like, "Oh, dude, like, you're not even taking advantage of the full iPhone stuff." So, but I'm like, "Oh yeah, guys. Also, we need to get 1 terabyte. Yeah, yeah, dude, you gotta go 1 terabyte. Go big or go home." So, where's the hertz? I forgot where it was. I think it was display and brightness. Oh, no. It was under, yeah, wait, no, it wasn't display. It was under accessibility. Um, what was it? Hertz? I know, like, some people, there it is, a display, because where is it? Oh, auto brightness. Oh, I forgot. Oh, yeah. Um, Smart invert, classic invert, reduce white point. Nope, it's somewhere else. Well, anyways, I saw it before. Oh, the motion. It's under motion. Limit frame rate. So 60 hertz per second. So you can tell a big difference between having this and that. See? It was under motion. So you can tell it's so smooth. But when you limit the frame rate, you can tell a big difference. Like, you can see like your eyes like focusing on it. So that's one way to get to reduce the frame rate. If you don't want the full 60 hertz, then I would say just activate it, man. But for me, I mean, I don't really care. Reduce motion, so that's why. So I'm barely getting all my messages. So great. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so many messages. Let me go ahead and take it off. Alrighty. All right, guys. So that's basically it. Once again, oh my god. Let me just, yeah, there you go. I'm muted. So guys, yeah, that's basically it, guys. I just wanted to do like a small review on the iPhone 13 Pro. If you're undecided on what to get, whether you want to get the 13 Pro Max or you want to get the 13 Pro, I know the Pro Max is like $100 more, and you get double the battery life. Honestly, if you want a phone, like if you want a phone to just sit right in your hands, if you want a phone that's like literally like it won't, you know that it's not gonna slip off of your hands. You're always gonna have it here, and you can one text people and all that. Get the Pro. If you want battery, etc., all that, and this will fit in your back. This will fit in your front pocket and in your back pocket. And if you want more battery and more like, for gaming and all that, because the future is basically everybody's gaming on these things right here. I would get the Pro Max. It's a bit big. I remember it was like a bit bigger like this. But if you want something simple and basic, you just want something that's gonna like, oh, okay, like I'm just gonna, just for like browsing, nothing hardcore. I think this phone would do it. Honestly, I'm satisfied. I was kind of like anxious. I'm like, I'm probably not gonna like this. Um, I'm gonna regret my buy. But everybody's different. Like I said, guys, it's up to you. Um, I'm gonna say I love both, but I love the battery on the 13 Pro Max, but this one is just I don't know, man. It's just it sits right. Like it's like the Pro and the Pro Max. Pro Max is for people that are business. You're always on your thing. Um, I forgot about the light. Um, that's what it basically is. Everything you get the same. The camera, everything. It's just like literally. I can't emphasize more. Like this, I'm in awe. But like I said, guys, basically, long story short, if you want something portable and little bit of weight, but able to carry around, and you want to get your money's kind of worth, get the Pro. Like if you're always on the go, I can't believe that rhymed. Get the Pro if you're always on the go. Get the Pro Max if you know you're gonna relax. That's my quote. So get the Pro if you're always on the go, and get the Pro Max if you're gonna tend to relax, which means you're gonna kick back and you're gonna start playing games on it. So yeah, guys, this is my review for the iPhone 13 Pro. You can see here, I don't really open up and I like to keep my things like brand new as possible. Now I just got to get like a case for it. So like I said, I'm coming from an iPhone 7, so it's like another kind of deal for me for this. But yeah, guys, once again, iPhone 13 Pro, it's legit. I like it. It's perfect for my pocket size. I don't want something heavy, and this just seems right. Plus, I get to work out. So, all right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.